right? Okay, so here the question is, find the number of sides of a regular polygon. A regular polygon means a polygon having same equal sides or equal angles. So find the number of sides of a regular polygon if the sum of interior angles, see here, they are not giving each value, they are not giving each internal angle value, instead they are giving total sum of interior angles is given as 720. Now the formula for sum of interior angles, so given first problem a, given sum of sum of interior angles, sum of interior angles is given by 720. If sum of interior angles is given as 720, what is the formula for sum of interior angles? N minus 2 into 180. That means n minus 2 times 180 should be equal to 720. Now overall for this entire expression 180 is being multiplied. So if we want to find n, we have to isolate n on left hand side. That means we have to send all other remaining terms to right hand side. So therefore n minus 2 is equal to 720 by 180. So 181s are 184s are. N minus 2 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. That's it. So this is the way how we have to do in exam. When we are presenting someone, we should be in a such a way that they can easily understand. Now same is the process for second question. They have given the total sum as 1620. It is not the value of each angle, it is sum. So sum of interior angles, sum of interior angles is 1620, and we know that the formula for sum of interior angles of any polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 1620. So therefore to find n, we have to send that 180 to that side. It will become 1620 by 180. 18 ones are 18 nines are. If you know 18 table, it will be very simple for you. 18 nines are 162. So n minus 2 is equal to 9. Then n is equal to 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. And for third one, I'm not doing the entire process. Okay, n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 1980. Then n minus 2 is equal to 1980 by 180. So you can cancel 0 and 0. 18 ones are 18 11s are. So n minus 2 is equal to 11. N is equal to 11 plus 2, 13. So this is how we have to solve these three problems.